عليكم ورحمه الله وبركاته. Today we are going to see a very basic Arabic class. We already know that there are 29 letters in Arabic alphabet. In this video, I'm going to cover first 6 letters of Arabic. What are the 6 letters? Name of the letter and the similar pronunciation in English language. Let's see what are the 6 letters. Alif. Repeat after me. Alif. Alif. Ba. Repeat after me. Ba. Ba. And the third letter, Ta. Repeat after me. Ta. Ta. Next letter is a kind of soft sound from Ta. It's Sa. It's not Ta or Sa, it's Tha. Jeem. Repeat after me. Jeem. Jeem. Ha. Repeat after me. Ha. Ha. Now let's see the name of each letter. So the first letter, A-li-if, alif. Ba-a, ba. Ta-a, ta. Sa-a, sa. G-e-m, jeem. Ha-a, ha. Now let's see similar pronunciation for each letter in English language. First letter, Alif. A sound in ask. There are 3 sounds for each letter. For example, A in ask, E in India, U in Ukraine. Ba sound in butter. The 3 sounds for Ba are Ba butter, B bitter, Boo boon. Next letter, Ta. Ta sound in Tandoor. So the next 3 sounds for Ta are Ta in Tandoor, T in timber, Tu in tour. Next letter is quite tricky. Thi sound in think. 3 sounds are Sa, Thi, Thu. Don't worry, I'll make another video with brief explanation of this letter. Next letter is Jeem. G sound in Jeep. This has the same pronunciation as English letter J. So the 3 sounds are Ja in jackpot, G in jeep, Ju in jukebox. Ha sound in hamburger. 3 sounds are Ha in hamburger, He in hindrance, Hu in hoop. Next letters we'll see in the upcoming videos. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you like the video, give a thumbs up. And if you have any doubts, please comment below. See you in the next video. Until then, it's bye from Tarbiyat. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.